3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Guys, day 3 before lunch, and we are going to be done welding. We got water going in the pool. Matt from Renolit, his wife and daughter are playing in the pool. It's kind of having some fun. Matt's over here, and everyone else is down underneath training. So because of the training, I haven't got enough video of the details of this one, but when we do the one next door, I will shoot a lot more detailed video and bring you guys that in a video soon. But Marshall 1 and Marshall 2 are finishing the top stair and the tending ledge. I got to put in 2 more returns, and I'm actually going to go ahead and kick the pumps on, running off the main drain so the heater can start catching up. We have renters in here on Saturday that will want that warm. And guys, it's turning out great. Look how beautiful that water's already looking with this vanity, which is a Carrara marble look membrane. You can see it's already starting to look blue. When it gets all the way full, it's gonna just look super Caribbean. The window is a lot cleaner looking than it was. Very, very, very pleased with the way this is turning out. I'll take you guys downstairs, show you what everyone else is up to. All right, guys, you can see behind me here, we are at the end of day 3 of the Renolit training in Dolphin Island, Alabama. It has been a resounding success. Everybody was in a really good mood. Everybody's feeling great about what they've learned. So we decided to take a little 3-hour tour on the Duke. It's not the SS Minnow, so I think we're gonna be all right. Everybody's gonna go out here, and I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna interview all these guys, their different companies and their respective areas. We got New Hampshire, Oregon, Woodstock, New York, and a few others. And we'll just talk to everybody. You guys may be interested in where they are and what they're doing, because they may be in your neck of the woods. So guys, these Renolit trainings are great. The pool trainings are as well. We're really changing the industry for the positive. So stay tuned for all of that content coming up. But in the meantime, I'm gonna introduce you to these awesome guys.